Hey there, Crystal Thompson here with Unity Stamp Company. Today we are layering some sentiments to make a really fun, bright floral card. We're going to be using the Big Huge Thanks. This is a older release and then a brand new release, Happy Mother's Day. You're going to need a scrap of paper for your layering and 2 white pieces of cardstock. You need a couple Zig markers, and if you can use the same colors that you use to color your floral images, that works even better because then you'll have some color coordination. We're going to do some black ink and we're going to do it all using our Misty. So we're going to begin by placing our stamp from the Big Huge Thanks onto that Misty. We're going to ink it up with black ink and we're going to begin stamping the edges of that cardstock. So all you're doing is just moving the cardstock, and this is so fast and so quick. I didn't feel the need to actually come in and grab any tape to hold it down, but you're more than welcome to do so. And then before I went anywhere with it, I grabbed my top layer of the card, which is just a little bit smaller. We're going to ink it up with that black ink, and as you can see, super easy. And if you wanted to just do it with an acrylic block, you totally could. I just didn't know if I was going to get a full black image. Okay, so now we're going to grab our Zig clean color markers, and I am using them on this surface that will wash off. I'm going to grab my water brush, and we're going to just grab that water and begin doing a little bit of watercolor splatters to add some color coordination. As you're doing your splatters, you can totally clean up your brush if you like to change the colors. I'm not, I just felt like I just had to do a quick little wipe on my pants there and grab the different color. I didn't want to do a ton of watercoloring, but I was like, you know what, let's just add a little bit of that green background color onto this card, and it's going to give it a bit of a shadow once we use our foam adhesive and place our floral. All right, so I placed a piece of that foil onto the back of my card, and I used some foam adhesive to really just raise that. If you don't have foil, you can use any pink cardstock, or really any coordinating, even pattern paper would work really well. So we have raised that on top of that stamped sentiment, and then using the beautiful floral image from the Happy Mother's Day, and I mentioned this is a new release, I'm placing that over on the top left corner, and then at this point you can embellish with some Nuvo drops or sequins. Guys, that does it for me. Super easy way to use big sentiments and florals. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.